Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am now going to start working on the steering shaft. I don't think I can catch how bent this thing is, but it is awful. I was going to straighten it out, but I could not find the steering nut that goes on there. It's actually a thing that sits on this threaded piece, has bearings run through it. It's called a worm gear, steering nut, several different names. But what it does is has bearings in it. It recycles the bearings as it goes up and down. It just flows through them. It goes up and down, therefore coming out, moving the arm forward and backwards, then moving the steering wheel left or right. I was going to straighten this out, could not find the nut that goes on this. Not the right one, not the little piece that had rusted out to fix it. If you saw my earlier videos, thought I might try and bend one myself and fabricate it myself. I finally found a place that had the steering shaft with the nut on it at 600 millimeters, which I believe is 24.5 inches. And these people right here, David Brown Parts, they're in Great Britain. They're awesome folks. Not really phone friendly, but their website isn't, but they have everything. I mean, all the stuff that I had searched hours for. Only place in the world I know that you can find this shaft, this short shaft that's for the early implematic David Brown 990s. Only place in the world I could find it. And it has the steering nut on it. Oh, I'm so excited about it. And they got me a new steering wheel because I beat this one to tar and back getting it off, which, is about there anyway. But anyway, instead of going through and trying to fix everything, I found most of the pieces. Ended up everything I got from them. The upper steering shaft repair kit that's going to fix the bearing part in here or replace it. I don't think it's bad, but replace it and give me new bearings and such right here. We're about to take apart and look at. Everything, I believe, shipping and all, was just over $400. So that's not bad, considering it's not cheap, but it's not free. But it is fantastic because the amount of work and stuff that I went through in hours and hours that I looked for this steering shaft. I should have spent it a long time ago. And it only took like a week to get here. I couldn't believe that. And they were awesome to deal with. DavidBrownParts.com might be something like that, but they have all kinds of stuff. Even the hydraulic drives that hook to the drive shaft in the front. I mean, just all kinds of stuff that you would have to search and go back and forth. They have it there. They'll help you match it. The great folks. Try them out. And nobody's paying me to say anything. But so we're going to replace everything inside the steering shaft tube. I believe everything inside, I believe I've got it. I believe I got it new. If not, we'll put the old in there. I won't believe it's broke. Not some of this stuff. But anyway, that's where we're at. That's where we're going. I'll let you know how it turns out. And where we go next. Then we'll put on that steering box I JB welded up. Put everything back together. Put some steering fluid in it. See if we turn. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching my stuff. Appreciate it all. I'll work on my editing skills. All I know now is how to press record, how to upload it, and how to talk. And that's about it. And it's really hard to do. I got me some kind of cheap phone holder. It's not what I thought. I mean, I give a whole $1.50 for the thing. I can't believe it's not what I thought it was. So I have to get another one. Then maybe I can record while I'm doing things and it'll hold it. And if y'all like watching me do stuff, if you have any questions about any of this, if you have a David Brown 990, I'd love to hear about it. I love them. If you have any suggestions, that's what I'm looking for, because I'm not as versed on tractors, especially. I mean, in the past 2 years, I've got my first diesel. It was a diesel truck. First time I started working on it. I've never done anything to a tractor besides refill the gas, reprime the fuel, stuff like that. So we're working. We're doing it. We're learning. I hope you'll learn something. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful night, wonderful day. Be safe and God bless.